And I'm always wearing this freaking jacket. I'm probably gonna die in this jacket. I was on the phone with my mama earlier. She threw shade at me. She asked me what was I cooking. I told her, and she was like, so you just cooking vegetables today? Where's the meat? The meat is in the greens.
South Carolina, South Carolina, South Carolina, in South Carolina, South Carolina, South Carolina.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be my Sunday vlog, and the first thing I'm going to be doing in this vlog is cooking my Sunday dinner. I'm not doing no big Sunday dinner, y'all. It's just me and possibly my significant other. He kind of pissed me off yesterday, so it's questionable if he's gonna be over here today or not, okay? But because like I said, it's not a whole lot of people I'm cooking for, this right here is going to be more than enough. So I'm making collard greens, baked mac and cheese, and sweet potato. The sweet potato is going to have butter, cinnamon, and marshmallows. So over here I have my greens, have my stuff for my macaroni and sweet potatoes and all that good stuff. All right, so I'm going to be showing y'all how I cook my Sunday dinner. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I was on the phone, y'all, so when it came to making the macaroni, I didn't really show y'all too much. But basically after I boiled the noodles, I added some butter to the noodles, mixed that in, let it melt. Then in a bowl, I mixed whole milk, evaporated milk, salt, black pepper, sour cream, and 2 eggs. Mix that up, add it to the noodles. Then I added in my cheese. I used sharp cheddar, Monterey Jack, and Colby. Mix that in. And then I also added in my Velveeta. I used the whole thing of Velveeta. Mix that in as well. I cut some more Velveeta and just apply it on top. That's how my grandma used to do. And then I topped that off with sharp cheddar. It was supposed to be mild cheddar, but I got my groceries delivered and the idiot did not give me mild cheddar. She gave me 2 things of sharp cheddar. So the oven is on 350, cooking the macaroni for 45 minutes. So this is what it's looking like. It looks so good. It smells even better. I'm gonna put the sweet potatoes in the microwave. Cook them for about 8 minutes because these are pretty big. Once they're cooked, I'm going to cut them in the middle, add my butter, brown sugar, and top them with marshmallows. Put them in the oven so that the marshmallow can melt and bake and all that good stuff. So these are going in the microwave for 8 minutes. I let my greens cook for about an hour, and the macaroni is cooking for 45 minutes, but I'm down to 12 minutes now. So that'll be done soon. And I think I got about 40 more minutes until the greens are done. So, yeah. I'm a terrible vlogger. Let's talk about it. Last time y'all saw me was Sunday. It's definitely not Sunday anymore. Obviously, my hair has changed. Like, yeah. Listen, after I ate that food, I got the itis. My boyfriend came over. We spent time together. And then Valentine's Day happened. So, yeah. And I decided, let me go ahead and close this video out because I ain't been vlogging. Before I close the video out, I did just get back home from Family Dollar and I got me some late night snacks because I'm about to watch me a movie. I got the original Ruffles and I'm about to dip them bad boys in this ranch dip right here. Come on, camera. I'm recording in cinematic mode. Do y'all like this quality? Like, it kind of gives that blurred background look, as y'all can see. And this is actually my phone. I have the iPhone 13 mini, I think. All the iPhone 13s have cinematic mode. It's so dope. Anyways, I also got these Fruit Loop Pop-Tarts. These are amazing. If I don't put y'all onto nothing else, please go and try these, y'all. They taste just like the freaking cereal. They taste even better. warmed. And then last but not least, I got me a mango Arizona. I prefer the watermelon one, but I settled for the mango because it's all that they had. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's basically a cooking vlog. I know y'all wanted to see more cooking videos from me, so here you go. Hope y'all enjoyed my meatless Sunday dinner. I have feel like frying no chicken. I wasn't about to make no pot roast. I don't feel like that. I stick to stuff that don't take that long to cook. And me personally, I don't need to have meat with every meal that I have. My next video is going to be my 1 year natural hair anniversary. I'm so excited. I'm going to a professional to get my hair silk pressed. That's my treat to myself, having someone else just wash my hair and blow dry it and get it silky straight so I can compare my growth and stuff. Can y'all believe I've been a natural for 1 year? Like, can y'all believe that? Anyways, I'm rambling again. Like the video, y'all. Please like the video. Give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. I'm trying to get back into the algorithm so I can be more consistent and stay motivated. All right. Okay. Bye.